Application Performance Management Systems. No more web page loading delays. Checking out at an online store, but the web page just won't load properly. According to Amazon's research, delayed web page response time can cost your business. With every extra 0.1 second delay, sales volume drops 1%. Application Performance Management Systems have become one of the indispensable technologies for service operators. Existing APM systems modify Internet applications, then insert monitoring codes and adjust installation procedures. But with ITRI's patented APM technology, you don't need to modify those Internet applications. There is no installation required and no need to change the original system installation process. You just need to insert monitoring codes on the web server, record every parameter related to Internet services, set up correct and complete network topology and tracks to carry out real-time monitoring and management. This can greatly reduce IT personnel debugging time, proficiently help operators increase system efficiency adjustment power, and significantly boost system monitoring capabilities. Currently, the technology has obtained 5 patents from 3 countries. In the coming 5G era, real-time online microservices will become the main trend in Internet applications. This includes real-time competition broadcasting and monitoring Internet program stability and security. Our technology can not only enhance the efficiency of microservices, but also provide strong support for security protection, attack behavior prediction, and Internet service system error warning and prevention.